Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term pathos. Introduction. Pathos, derived from the Greek term meaning passions, suffering or deep feeling, has evolved in modern criticism to denote a specific technique in literature. In contemporary analysis, pathos is applied to scenes or passages designed to evoke tenderness, pity, or sympathetic sorrow from the audience. This video explores the transformation of pathos from its broad ancient Greek definition to its more limited modern usage. It examines how Victorian writers like Charles Dickens and Harriet Beecher Stowe exploited pathos to a degree that may challenge modern readers' endurance. Moreover, the video highlights the shift towards achieving the effect of pathos through understatement and suggestion in the works of William Shakespeare and William Wordsworth. Pathos in ancient Greek and modern criticism. In ancient Greek, pathos encompassed a wide range of emotions and deep feelings in contrast to ethos, which represented a person's overall disposition or character. However, contemporary literary criticism has narrowed its focus, using pathos to describe scenes or passages aiming to evoke specific emotions such as tenderness, pity, or sympathetic sorrow in the audience. This evolution highlights how linguistic concepts can transform over time to suit specific literary contexts. Victorian writers and the exploitation of pathos. During the Victorian era, prominent writers like Charles Dickens and Harriet Beecher Stowe deliberately employed pathos to evoke intense emotional responses from their readers. Examples include the heart-wrenching portrayals of the deaths of Little Nell in Dickens's The Old Curiosity Shop and Little Eva in Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin. These instances of pathos were so intense that they pushed the boundaries of emotional endurance for many modern readers, who may perceive them as overly sentimental and manipulative. Pathos through understatement and suggestion. Contrasting the Victorian approach to pathos, modern literature has shifted towards subtler techniques. Instead of dwelling on explicit details of suffering, contemporary writers often employ understatement and suggestion to achieve the effect of pathos. A prime example can be found in Shakespeare's King Lear, in the speech where the titular character is briefly reunited with Cordelia. The restrained and poignant nature of the exchange evokes a powerful emotional response from the audience without resorting to melodramatic descriptions. William Wordsworth's masterful use of pathos. In William Wordsworth's poem Michael, published in 1800, the poet skillfully demonstrates the potential of understatement for conveying pathos. In lines 465 and 66, Wordsworth portrays the profound grief of an old father for the loss of his son. The simplicity of the language and the choice not to delve into excessive details amplify the emotional impact of the scene. Conclusion. Pathos, originally a term encompassing various deep emotions in ancient Greek, has undergone significant transformation in modern literary criticism. For its wide application to emotions and suffering, it has become a specific technique aimed at evoking tenderness, pity, or sympathetic sorrow in readers. The Victorian era witnessed writers like Charles Dickens and Harriet Beecher Stowe pushing the boundaries of pathos, while contemporary literature has embraced subtler methods such as understatement and suggestion. Through the works of William Shakespeare and William Wordsworth, the power of pathos is exemplified in the ability to evoke profound emotions with economy of language. So this was the discussion on the term pathos. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.